Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Android phone with a specific app that says you do not have permission to access your contacts. You have disabled a required permission. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to go down and select the security and privacy tile. And then go down again underneath privacy and select privacy controls. And then at the top, select the permission manager tile. And now you can go and select the contacts tile. And then whatever app you're having the problem with, go ahead and select it and then select the allow button for that app. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.